Meet Daniel. This week, Daniel starts working at OTTO together with 15 other employees in his team. Daniel and all his new colleagues need bicycles to get to work. Each week, we arrange bicycles for all new international employees all over the Netherlands. More than 5,000 OTTO employees commute to work by bike every day. An attempt to show you this on one screen would look like this. In order for Daniel to receive his bicycle on time, his on-site team already informed the OTTO transport department that they need 16 bikes for new employees. The bicycle manager keeps a proper record of all bikes at his location, so the transport department knows that a few extra bikes are needed at Daniel's location. They check the warehouse stock, arrange the transport, and deliver extra bikes in no time. Next, the office gets in touch with Deckers, our external bicycles partner, to restock the bike warehouse. And then our warehouse staff adds bike accessories for employees to use. In an emergency situation, employees contact their bike manager. The manager immediately replaces the bicycle if he has it in stock. In case the bike manager does not have a spare bicycle in stock, he gets in touch with his colleagues at the head office. Office employees get in touch with the warehouse and arrange the transport to deliver Daniel's new bicycle instantly.
Woohoo! Wow!
All damaged bicycles are inspected in our warehouse. 40% of those only require minor repairs, which are handled by OTTO staff. The remaining 60% is transported to Deckers. 8 employees at Deckers are busy repairing 150 OTTO bikes each week. Overall, more than 80 staff employees are working daily to keep our bicycles operation running smooth. We take care of our people and their bicycles to ensure they commute to work safely every day. Use of bicycles as a means of transport positively affects our impact on the environment. There are almost 2,000 e-bikes in our bicycle fleet, and this number is regularly growing. Help us use less of this and more of this.